Open the Soclean so that you can see inside of the chamber. Remove the old filter inside the Soclean by pulling the filter up and out. You can discard the old filter in the garbage. Remove all protective plastic and tape from the new filter. You may see some black particles on the filter or on your hands. This is normal from the settling during shipping and can be wiped off. Place the new filter into the Soclean. Grasp the barrel of your current check valve firmly and pull the tubing away. It may be necessary to use a twisting motion. Repeat to disconnect the tubing from the other side. The direction of your new check valve is critical. Your Soclean will not work if it is installed facing the wrong direction. The end of your new check valve has a label with 2 arrows that should be pointing toward your CPAP machine. Grasp the barrel and insert the stem as far as possible into the end of the tubing. The tubing should be nearly touching the barrel of the check valve. Repeat for the remaining side of the check valve. Resetting the Soclean should only be done after replacing the cartridge filter and check valve. Press and hold the manual and hourglass buttons simultaneously until you see a smiley face on the display. This means the reset is successful and your Soclean is now ready to use. Contact us. Visit www.soclean.com. Call 1-866-501-3705. Email support@soclean.com.